A survey was done of students in high school to see if there was a connection between a student's favorite sport to watch and the type of snack they like to eat while watching a sport. If a student is chosen at random, find the probability of each of the following events. Well, before we go through this, let's put some totals in here. And if we add these up, again, you could type it into Desmos or calculator. 8 plus 10 plus 7 is 25. 5 plus 6, got to be able to see it, plus 11 is 22. 12, can't see it very well, 12 plus 19 plus 8 is 39. If we add all of those up, 25 plus 22 plus 39, we get 86. And then if we do 8 plus 5 plus 12, we get 25. 10 plus 6 plus 19, we get 35. And 7 plus 11 plus 8 is 26. And just to check, 25 plus 35 plus 26 still gives us 86. So if we take a look then at our first problem here, probability that a student likes ice cream. Well, there's 86 students. And then there's going to be 22 out of 86. Probability of football, again, there's 86 students. If we look at football, football is going to be 35. Probability of soccer and popcorn, again, there's still a total of 86. And then if we go to the soccer category, and then the popcorn, we're going to get 12 out of 86. But as we look at letter D, here's the OR, and we have the probability addition rule right up here at the top of our paper, so just a reminder there. So we're going to do the probability that a student likes soccer, the probability that the student likes the popcorn, but we have to take out the both, the probability of soccer and popcorn, and we just figured out that number. But the probability of the soccer here is going to be 25 out of 86. The probability of the popcorn is going to be, let's see, popcorn 39 out of 86. And then we just figured out the probability of the soccer and the popcorn, again, still out of a total of 86. And then the soccer and the popcorn is the 12. This is going to give us our OR. And you don't even have to type in the fraction. We can just type in the 25 plus the 39 minus the 12. And we get 52 out of 86 for our answer. Again, another practice with the probability addition rule on part E. So we've got the probability of the basketball or the hot dog. So we're going to do probability of basketball, probability that they like hot dogs. We're going to take out the probability of basketball and hot dogs, and that's going to give us our OR right there. So again, still have 86 students, and our basketball number here, there's 26 students that like the basketball. Probability of hot dogs, again, we still have 86 students, and our hot dogs there going to be 25. When we look at both the basketball and the hot dogs, we've got in the basketball column and the hot dog column, we've got 7. And then we don't even have to type in our fraction. we simply can do 26 plus 25 minus 7. And use your calculator, use Desmos. It's just a little bit quicker for me making the videos to use the calculator. We get 44 divided by 86. By the way, just one little thought here is that sometimes the OST likes to see it in a decimal form. So 0.511, we would round it to 0.51. We could also say that it's 51%. Be careful in letter F here because it says and. In this case, it doesn't say or. So we've kind of gotten into this habit of working with the ors, and then it's an and on letter F. So what we're looking for is the probability that they like football and ice cream. So that's going to be the 6 out of the 86. Finally, on question 1, if you are only picking from people who eat ice cream, so only picking from people who eat ice cream, that means we're going to be working with a total of 22. What is the probability that you will pick a person who watched soccer? So again, you're going to the ice cream category, and then you're going to the soccer category, which you can't see. So let me show that again. So if you're only picking from people who eat ice cream, so we're going here. There's our ice cream, and then it says, so that's going to be our total. Then it says, what is the probability that you will pick a person who watched soccer? So again, you go to these 3 numbers, and the 5 is the soccer. So we're going to put 5 out of 22.